Hi, lovely people. How are all of you? This is Tanushri, and I have come live again. Today we have a session with Bhavna Jain, as you're all, and we are going to have this session on travel do's and don'ts during the COVID era. Waiting for all of you to join us, and of course, waiting for Bhavna also to join us and guide us today. So tell me, how are all of you doing? How are things? I have people joining in now. Hi Meena, how are you? So nice to see you all here. So it has been a tiring day for me. I had gone outside today. Yeah, and there were quite a few cars running in today, plying on the Kolkata roads. So I am good, Meena. I am absolutely fine. आप कैसे हो? How are you? In due to Corona, and on top of that, uh, give me a moment, guys. I think there's some network issues. Am I audible? Is the network now? Yeah. So hi Ankita, hi Arshia, hi Chitra. Thank you for joining in, and it's amazing to have all of you here connected, and be the winnings three from within. I can see so many winnings threes joining us, and making it more and more successful for us together. Um the times are very difficult, so it got stuck in between because I had a call. I was saying that the times are very tough. Lot of things going on. There's pandemic out there, COVID out there. Many people have died as we speak. More than 3 lakh people, to be precise. The figures are scary. We had a cyclone in Kolkata. I think we are also experiencing a locust attack across northern India. So there are many things which are going on, and normalcy is something, what used to be the normal earlier is something which we probably aren't experiencing any longer. So the new normal is in place. The new normal is something that we have to keep experiencing, and we have to adjust to, get accustomed to. Yes, 2020 has been a very angry year. It has been a year full of anger, and full of, and also hope and faith, because if there are darker times, then there are also hope and faith for lighter days ahead, brighter days ahead. So on that note, we are waiting here today for Bhavna. And Bhavna, no, I cannot see you, dear. I just cannot see you here. Uh, Bhavna, can you please send me a request? Let me try and invite you, Bhavna. Just a moment. Right, so Bhavna, I've sent you an invite now, finally, and I hope that you would join in soon. We're waiting for you, Bhavna, because we are here to discuss the do's and don'ts of travel during the COVID era. And Bhavna is here. She'll be here in a moment now. Right. There she is. Adding, connecting. Hi, Bhavna.
Hi,
Finally,
how
you're
are
here.
you?
I am good. How are you?
Very good, very good. How's everything in Calcutta?
Everything is nice. How is everything in Delhi? The locust, did it come?
Delhi. Yeah, it's we just getting used to the situation here actually.
Yeah, true.
Everybody is actually.
Yeah. So Meena was saying that Mother Nature is angry on us. I think that's true.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So Bhavna,
So
otherwise, how are things with you? Otherwise, apart from this, everything else is good?
everything is good. Everything is
Okay,
good.
great.
Except
And
travel, everything is good.
you look pretty. Look pretty, Bhavna. You look so pretty.
Uh, Thank you.
You're
Thank you
looking
so much.
gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
So,
lockdown is suiting me, actually. That's what my
yeah, it is suiting
बाहर
me also.
बाहर बाहर नहीं एक्सपोजर नहीं मिल रहा ना बाहर की उसका धूल
Right,
मिट्टी
right,
का
right,
तो
right. The
लॉकडाउन इज
pollution,
एक्चुअली
yeah, the pollution has
हाउस
gone
एवरीथिंग विद
down.
यू
So everything is absolutely fine. You can see, glow on my face, isn't it? So it's
आई
that
मीना
lockdown glow.
यू लुकिंग
Yeah,
गुड टू यू लुकिंग फ्रेश
yeah. So that glow is the lockdown glow. Lockdown से आया है वो glow. So
आई
let
नो
me
लॉकडाउन से ग्लो है
Yeah, so
लॉकडाउन
let
से
me
ग्लो है
quickly introduce Bhavna to all of you. Bhavna Jain is the founder of Travelistas, which is, a bespoke travel and tour planner. And, she plans tours and travels, especially for women. Right, Bhavna?
यस यस डेफिनेटली
Right.
यस
Right. So,
यस
Bhavna, why don't you speak for yourself? Why don't you do that? Introduce
वेल
yourself.
okay. As everybody knows, I'm Bhavna Jain. I am a travel designer. I have a brand called Travelistas, where we take ladies trips to all around the globe, like international and domestic as well. And our main motto is to the security and safety of the ladies. That's the
Right.
most important part of the highlight of the trip, any trip. As a lady, I feel one if the lady is secure in this because few are with the mindset if they're stepping out without the family. Everybody is family oriented. If they're
Hmm.
stepping out without the family, the husband or the family is not worried about them. Ki how safe, secure and safe are you if you're traveling with ladies? So that's
True.
the main motive. The
Mm-hmm.
security is the main any wherever you go, security
Mm-hmm.
is the main point that we take care of it. And
Absolutely. Yeah.
definitely, and yeah, you were saying
Yeah,
something.
so no, I was saying that, you're absolutely bang on there. For females, it is very important to be
Yeah,
secured, otherwise
yeah, yeah,
families wouldn't
yeah.
allow us to travel. Our families are very overprotective about us traveling all alone, for that matter.
Yes, yes, yes,
So,
yes,
whenever
yes.
there's a tour or a travel being planned for females or a group of females, security is a must. So, I'm happy to know that, you work
Security is the
towards
must.
that and that is your motto.
Yes, yes. That's the
Yeah.
key point actually of the ladies traveling together. That's the key point actually.
Absolutely, absolutely. So,
Yeah,
Bhavna ji, I wanted to throw light on the session that we are having today, which is about the do's and
yeah,
don'ts of travel during the COVID era. So, we all know, our members know, everybody knows that there's a lot of virus which is roaming all around, very free and ready to attack all of
yeah.
us whenever it can, and get the good of us there. So, travel is restricted till a long, long time. For now, the international airports are closed, the international borders are closed, the domestic borders were
Uh,
also closed
Tanu,
until,
just a minute. Tanu,
yeah.
just a minute. There is some voice problem. I think so. I'll just see my Bluetooth speaker. Just a
Oh,
second.
really, really?
Yeah,
Okay, sure,
just a minute.
sure, sure. So, hi Tapasya, hi Parul, hi Richa, hi Joita, hi Sonia, hi Ritu, hi Chitra, Jasmine, hi. Thank you for coming on board, Megha. Hi. Ashmita, hi. So I've done all my highs to
Yeah,
people. Is it
yeah.
okay now? Is the voice audible?
I think so. Just a minute. Just give me a.
Thank you so much, Richa. I met you today, so that was maybe that is giving me that glow, you know, meeting your friends after a long time gives you that glow. Hi, Tamanna. How have you been? Thank you for that splendid idea about Facebook, posts and likes. Love you too, Richa. Bhavna, we have lost you. Are
Yeah.
you back?
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
great,
Yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
yes, Bhavna, I was
yeah,
saying this
yeah.
that
Hi, Richa.
till hi Noor.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bhavna, I was saying this that till uh, I mean right now the international borders are still closed, right?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah,
international
yeah,
borders are
yeah,
still sealed, and the
yeah.
domestic borders have opened up now for the flight transactions. So the flights are moving in between. I think somewhere around 8,000 flights have started to become operational, and it will be there for the last for the next 3 months now. And so, the domestic borders are slowly opening up, and then again, a few zones which had turned into green or orange are now again turning into red. So the COVID exists, it has not gone. But the work cannot suffer because अगर लोग कोविड से नहीं मरेंगे तो बिना एम्प्लॉयमेंट के जरूर मर जाएंगे बिकॉज आज की डेट में पैसा कहाँ है देर इज नो मनी देर इज नो बिजनेस देर इज नो इकोनॉमी एवरीथिंग इज इन अ slum, right? And the one
Yes,
industry that
yes.
we can talk about right now which has suffered the most is the travel industry. Since
It
before
is.
the lockdown, before we had started on with this lockdown and other things, one industry which was booming was travel and tourism. हमको सबको अच्छा लगता है to go to places, to see new places, to experience new things, है ना? But आज की डेट में all of that has closed.
Yes, yes,
So my question to you is,
yes,
Bhavna,
yes.
how has the setback been for you guys, being from the travel industry, being from that tourism part? How has it been for you? What are the existing problems that your industry faces currently? Can you throw some light?
Right, right now, Tanu, I'll start from the aviation sector, that is flights, right?
Right.
Uh, it's like right now, yesterday, 82 flights got cancelled. 82 flights
Okay.
got cancelled.
Right, right.
People
I
were
also heard
standard
about it.
on they got standard on the airport, and
Right. It was a
the
chaotic
airlines,
situation
they
there.
had no, they had their the client customer did not know why the flight got cancelled. It's a big hassle right now. So my suggestion is, until and unless the things cool down, right now it's on the peak. Everything is everything right, because these 14 days now as the lockdown, fourth or third, it's the fourth one, I think so. The
Yes.
things will
Yeah, the fourth one.
things are not still settling down. As far as traveling concerned, things are still not settling down. People who are stuck everywhere in the cities, like if I'm stuck away from my parents or from my husband, so my motto would be catch a flight and reach there, right?
Absolutely. Right.
But but the concern, if I want to go for leisure, if I want to go for a holiday right now, it's a big no. It's a big no,
Right.
because
Right.
what's happening is the hotels itself, they started resuming the operation from, I think, from July.
Right.
Still,
Okay.
because they are in the process of changing everything. They have to change this entire scenario. Either
Right.
either it's they're sitting. If you enter the hotel, there would be a thermal checking. Then
Okay.
there would be screening. The bags would be
Okay.
sanitized if you enter
Right.
the hotel. So entire, if you talk about big chains like Hilton or above them, they have to take care of each and every molecule, you could say. If it's because
Mm-hmm.
The client is most important for us, right?
Hmm.
So where the safety is concerned right now, you have to take care of each and everything. Either it's sanitization, either it's thermal screening, because in the restaurants also, if you come out for a lunch or dinner or breakfast in the dining room or in the any restaurants of the hotel where you're staying, there has to be proper sanitization. The staff should be in house. Staff, they should not, like, if they're sourcing from outside, you never know what infection the person is carrying within.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
these are many factors are attached to it. So right now it's just a wait and watch situation right now.
Right.
It
So it's
is
a wait and
because from
watch.
July onwards, yeah, yeah,
So
it's
you're
wait and
saying that it's
watch.
a wait and watch. Right, right.
Yeah,
So how
it's
how
wait and
long
watch.
do we
It's
need to wait? How long do we need to wait there, Bhavna? मतलब कितना देर का wait होगा ये? Will it be for that entire
Tamanna is
2020?
saying there's a network. There's a, Tamanna is saying there's a network problem. Is there any network problem?
Right now, I don't think so. There's a network problem. Beach mein there was some problem, but now I think it should be smooth. Is it so, Tamanna? Is it
Yeah,
smooth? Can anybody
I
please
think so.
tell
We are
us?
audible to everyone. We are
Yeah,
audible to everyone. I think so.
I think so. Yeah, are you audible to me? I think you are. I am audible to you too. So I think we are audible to the rest as well.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah.
yeah.
So,
So,
Tanu, right now, we would suggest let this at least this is May ending, right? This
right,
May ending
right.
from I think so. June mid or June end, hotels will not resume their operations because
Hmm,
this again wait and watch situation.
hmm,
And I would suggest if anybody
hmm,
wants to
hmm,
travel, in desperation,
hmm.
take your own car, travel in your own convenience. Don't take a public transport, either a flight, either a train, anything. If it's
Right.
possible, take your own vehicle.
Conveyance, right.
And I think so. It's without in July they'll start their operations everywhere.
Hmm,
Not
hmm,
before
hmm.
that. Not
Okay.
before.
So Meena says that, Bhavna, even traveling via own car is also not advisable till later June.
That's that's what I say. If you're going to any hotel, if you're going to any XYZ, any destination,
Hmm.
until and unless they resume the operation, how would you go?
Absolutely.
They should start their hotel now. So
Absolutely.
whatever whatever the feedback we are getting right now, they
Hmm.
will not resume before June last week or July. It's again a wait and watch situation for everyone. You never know
Right,
what will
right.
happen tomorrow. Were
Right.
we were we yeah, we were not prepared for it, right? If nobody knew we would
Absolutely.
be 2 months we will be under lockdown.
True.
Nobody knew it.
True. Two
It's a
months
very
just
adverse
gone.
situation, and 2 months. Imagine,
Hmm.
nobody knew it. We would be there in the lockdown for 2 months, and
Two
still,
months of
what what
2020
I
gone.
say, 2020 gone. Yes, 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 definitely. For us, especially international travel, not at least in this year. Maybe I don't know how will they operate and what precautions they will take, but later on, because
Hmm.
I was just looking at the news today.
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think so 2 or 3 people who were flying, they got COVID positive. They
Hmm.
were flying and they were stopped in the airport, something like that.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
right now, it's if it's not essential, stay put. That's what I suggest. Abhi,
Absolutely.
right now, it's better to work from home, or if you want to go to
Right.
your office, go without touching anything,
Right.
come back.
हाँ जी
Yeah,
बिल्कुल आप
yeah.
सही बोल रहे हो भावना.
That's very, very
सो
important.
भावना अभी ये
Yeah,
डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट्स
yeah.
जो चालू हो गई हैं, तो डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट्स की वजह से क्या
Ji,
लगता है आपको, इज इट अ स्मॉल रे ऑफ होप in terms of everything coming back to normal, or is it just something which will also be
Tanu,
shut
it
down
is
in a while?
Tanu. It was important because there has to be some normalization in the life, right? There had to be a point where
Absolutely.
they had to start.
Right.
So what
Right.
what what has happened was people were stuck everywhere. Like
Right.
if I take an example. I have a
Mm-hmm.
friend's aunt who's stuck in Delhi
Mm-hmm.
from last 2 months. She had come here to
Right.
see the grandchild. She had a
Okay.
flight to Bombay
Right.
2 days back.
Right. Right.
Lockdown
Right.
happened, so she could not fly.
Right. Right.
She could not fly. So
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
it's important. It's for the people who are going, who business are stuck, who want to do the business deals or go in the morning, come back in the evening, and
Mm-hmm.
many states they have advisory. They have 14 days quarantine, like
Mm-hmm.
Assam, Himachal, and many states have actually advisory. They have taken out the advisory that they'll not
Hmm.
entertain people.
Hmm.
So it's a very grim situation right now, but yes, there is always a silver line. We always look
Hmm.
the positive side of it. We hoping things
Right.
will get normalized. Things will get normalized. We'll
Yeah.
back to a normal routine.
Right.
But yes,
Right.
till then, let's be positive and let's stay put, stay home, and be
Yeah.
safe.
And also the ones
Yeah,
who are traveling at this juncture, Bhavna, the ones who are
yeah,
moving out because they are stuck at some places, they are also exposed to that risk, right? And
yes,
despite the
yes,
risk, they are ready to
yes,
take it because they need that. Probably the travel was essential for them. They couldn't avoid it. So, Bhavna, with
yeah,
many places who are going into that extension of a lockdown, which is more of a lockdown with many things allowed, right? To some places where self
yeah.
isolation will still be brought about, and there are places which are still red zones. How successful is going to be? How successful will the train and the domestic air travel be at this juncture? Will it be successful? Will people still opt for it despite the risk that it possesses?
See, Tanu, right now, if you watch, looking at the news, people had there were flights which had taken where people have reached home. Either you could see by train or by flight. Now
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, it again, it all depends. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
It all depends if the cases will go high. Like if
Mm-hmm.
there has to be some, if there will be a decrease in the, because Mumbai right now it's on the hotspot. Mumbai is the
Right.
most hit state right now, the most.
Right.
So it all depends. It all depends upon what will happen tomorrow. How would
Hmm.
COVID? There would be a ratio that would come down, or there would be a
Hmm.
ratio that would go up. So
Hmm.
nobody can predict. But these flights and trains definitely help people to go if they
Hmm.
were stuck, to reach their
Hmm.
destination, to reach their home.
Hmm.
That
Right.
is
So
help.
log
But
lenge. It has
seeing
helped and it
tomorrow,
will. Right. Right. Go ahead, Bhavna.
so yeah. Hi Aarti.
Yeah,
So it
everybody is
all depends
complimenting
upon.
that Bhavna has a beautiful smile, and I agree. I second that.
Uh,
Yeah, Bhavna,
uh,
sorry to cut you there.
so it all depends upon the situation, Tanu.
Okay.
Right now, as flights are taking off, there are their flights got cancelled also. Few states are not entertaining people. They have to go to quarantine, 14 day quarantine. So,
Right.
what I suggested, if you need to fly right now, kindly check. Kindly
Mm-hmm.
check. Checking is very very important before you take a flight. What is that? What is the
Mm-hmm.
situation? Of wherever you going, is that state safe to travel? Is there is any
Mm-hmm.
norms and condition that state has applied? There are advisories
Mm-hmm.
that has been applied many. So you need to be very very careful if you step out of the house to travel.
Right, right.
Need to check. Yeah.
Right, right. So, what are the precautions which are ongoing, Bhavna, at this juncture? What are what is the ongoing measure to combat the pandemic by and the travel to also meet the travel needs of the customers? So, क्या precautions ले रहे
Yeah.
हैं travel वाले airports
Air
or
में air पे भी
aeroplanes or your trains also railways or the tour planners वो क्या measures ले रहे हैं? Bhavna, I think we've lost you there. Can you join back? We have lost Bhavna. So, people, folks who are watching us today, we are here discussing about the COVID era, which is still prevalent, and the travel do's and don'ts, along with Bhavna Jain. She is the founder of Travelistas, and she is a travel planner. She does travel planning for females specifically, so tour planning for female trips, and she was very good at it also. And until now, where things have got stuck because of the current pandemic situation, and we have Bhavna again. So there is some network issue, I think, and
I
it's
don't think
okay. It's
there's a
absolutely
network.
fine.
There's a network issue.
या
Network
इट इज
issue.
एब्सोल्युटली फाइन.
Network
आज की
issue.
डेट पे बस इंटरनेट ही बचा है हमारे पास और कुछ नहीं है. एंड लोगों को इतना इंटरनेट
एक
चाहिए
ये
कि ये तो
एक यही
बनता है.
हथियार बचा है हमारे पास में.
Absolutely. There is nothing else that we have got. I think all the other people also agree to this. So, folks, if you're watching this right now, please, please, please do drop in your comments, your questions, so that we can discuss it. We can take it up on this chat forum that we have to discuss about the do's and don'ts of travel during the COVID era. हाय मोमिता, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग इन. हाय आरती. सो हाँ जी, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही थी भावना कि क्या क्या
जी
है,
जी.
मतलब कैसे कैसे मतलब प्रिकॉशंस लिए जा रहे हैं बाय एरोप्लेन्स और बाय एयर ट्रैवल फॉर द एयर ट्रैवल थिंग और फॉर द रेलवेज ट्रैवल थिंग और फॉर पीपल लाइक यू हु आर अरेंजिंग फॉर टूर्स एंड टूरिज्म मे बी 2-3 months डाउन द लाइन, बट कुछ तो प्लानिंग चल रही होगी, तो क्या चल रहा होगा उधर?
Right now, as airports, there's a thermal checking on the arrival. You have to wear mask uh, while taking the journey also, and while arriving on the airport also. There is sanitization of
Right.
your bags on the arrival,
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
while like they're making distance. If you have noticed, they have made squares like social
Hmm.
distancing. There is
Hmm.
nothing. There is no uh, there is no connection. Like you can only have face to face conversation. There is no. It's a distance. They're maintaining distance and doing it. You have to take out your printout and everything. Like there is
Hmm.
no
Hmm. Hmm.
nobody gonna they gonna just guide you, but
Hmm.
there
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
they're maintaining distance. They're
Hmm. Hmm.
absolutely
Hmm.
before you getting down before you getting down in the flight, they're
Hmm.
sanitizing
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
flights. They're
Right.
sanitizing and it's and uh, these airlines, nobody would time, right? So everybody is taking precaution as we get into webinars and all with the hotels.
Right. Bhavna, we
We get
actually
into the
lost you in
webinars and all.
between there. So आप
Yeah.
क्या बोल रहे थे कि
Yeah,
थर्मल चेकिंग है,
I
सोशल आइसोलेशन बॉक्सेस
thermal
हैं और
social distancing.
हाँ.
It's all machinery. Like if you have to take out your boarding pass or everything, it's all on machine. Like there is no hand touch. There is
Okay.
no hand touch.
Okay.
Absolutely. So
Okay.
and before getting to the flight, they are
Mm-hmm.
sanitizing it
Okay.
completely,
Okay.
completely sanitizing it. There are no
Okay.
magazines and magazines allowed in the flight. There is no
Okay.
food allowed in the flight. No,
Okay.
there is no services, food service, or neither you can carry your own food. Like it's
Okay.
no, big no.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, and the thing is, hotels also taking precautions. Again, they sanitizing. They sanitizing they're planning to sanitize because right now they will not resume their services. But what, because it's completely, they have to completely change the layout. Complete. If in the lobby also they have to take care. If there is no there has to be social distancing between everyone, right? If you're served also, there has to be a different, there has to be a distance if you're served also. So people are taking care. Hotels also taking care of it, and airports also
Right.
taking care of it. So
Right,
now
right.
traveling would be okay, but after this gets a bit subside. Right now, I think June and July, June would be the peakest because right now cases are increasing. So it all
Okay.
depends on the situation, Tanu.
Okay.
Travel, because travel is the last leisure. Like if I have few clients who go international for international trips, they said if the vaccine is not out, we are not traveling right now. We would not travel
Okay.
till the
Okay.
vaccine is out.
Hmm.
So there has to
True.
be some because everybody is scared. Everybody is scared right now. So though doctors and everybody saying that it will get into your daily routine, this COVID, but that would take time people to register. They have not taken in the stride.
True,
So
true.
the things will get normalized, but yeah, we have to keep a positive frame of mind and be positive and stay absolutely cool about it.
Okay. Right.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
Bhavna, you do a lot of travel advisories, right? So you arrange for trips, you arrange for
yeah,
tours and other things, and you're saying that we have to wait at this juncture. Is that correct?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Bhavna, can you excuse me for just 1 minute, please? You just be there. I'll be
yeah,
there in a moment.
yeah, yeah.
दिख रही हूँ मैं?
हाँ, yes, very
हाँ,
clear.
राइट. सो भावना, मैं ये बोल रही थी आपसे कि आज की डेट पे आप बोल रहे हो कि वी हैव टू वेट टिल द टाइम वेयर वी आर एट अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे वी विल बी एबल टू ट्रैवल से इन 2-3 months ऑफ टाइम, है ना? थिंग्स विल गो बेटर, थिंग्स विल बिकम नाइस, आप बोल रहे हो. तो आज की डेट पे आपको क्या लगता है कि the way why do we need travel agents at this juncture? जब वो travel शुरू होगा, when it will start, travel agents like you, how can you help us? What exactly can you do for
Because
business
we
travels?
can suggest
For
you the places that proper by 7. It's like you can call any time or time. We are 24 hours by 7. And we'll make sure that your travel becomes safe. Anywhere you travel, we'll only just safe to travel. Because we'll make sure, because we'll have in writing with the hotel, like if I'm booking, if I'm booking Rajasthan for you, if I'm booking some fort for, because right now
sorry Bhavna, I
precautions are
think there
very,
was
very
some
important.
कुछ disturbance था. I couldn't hear you properly there. Can you again tell us? from the beginning what you just
Yeah,
mentioned, how you can help
wherever,
us.
like whatever you book, wherever you plan to travel, there would be already be a suggestion to travel to the destination or not, and
Hmm.
whatever hotels we are booking, right? So
Hmm.
we'll make sure that the hotels are proper sanitized, they're
Hmm.
taking good care of the clients, how
Hmm.
well they are prepared for the post COVID. That is
Right.
very, very important,
Right. Right.
because
Right.
we have few friends who have their travel. They have a boutique hotels everywhere in Himachal and all.
Hmm. Hmm.
So 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 we have sent them the mails. We are daily in touch with them. How well are they prepared COVID post? Like how
Hmm.
what precautions they are taking. So we would only suggest you the place if they are secure, if they're
Hmm.
taking well precautions. Otherwise, we would not say. Otherwise, we would say kindly don't go here and go there.
Right. Right.
That only
Right.
agent can do.
Right. Right.
Online portal will not suggest you that. Only an agent can suggest you that.
Right. Right. It'll become more bespoke, is what you mean to say, है ना?
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Okay, we have a question from Aarti now. I'll take this question. Just
yeah.
one more question before Aarti's question. वो ये है कि
Yes.
I wanted to ask you कि अगर एक बंदे को travel करना है कल की date में, and if they come to you, तो what all do you need from them? And how can you arrange their travel? It can be a business travel, it can be a leisure travel, it can be a women trip, whatever it is. आप ये बताइए कि आप क्या क्या करेंगी और आपको क्या क्या उस बंदे से चाहिए ताकि वो ट्रैवल स्मूथली हो. Can you just throw light? I mean, I wanted to understand the services that you are providing to clients, and what will be the services? Will those be a little different post the lockdown?
Uh, uh, it now the it depends. Like you, if you taking a flight to any destination, right? We'll make sure the if the flight is going, right,
Hmm.
we'll make sure the refundable ticket is refundable,
Oh,
because
wow.
non-refundable tickets do like
Cause a lot
you
of
just get
havoc.
taxes.
Chaos हो
Yeah,
जाता है,
yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
True,
though refundable
true.
though refundable tickets though refundable tickets get bit high on the price, but it's always better to get a refundable tickets right now.
Hmm,
Then it depends on where you want to travel, right?
hmm,
If
hmm,
my suggestion would be, as I suggested earlier also,
hmm,
if the travel opens, if the hotels resume their services, the best
hmm.
is to take your own car and travel right now.
Okay,
I would
okay.
not suggest take a take any public, neither take a flight, neither, because right now there are many people, they have just opened the airlines, right? In 15
Hmm,
20
hmm,
days,
hmm.
within a month, how well it will happen, and what are the consequences that you have to face. It all
Hmm, hmm,
depends.
hmm. Hmm, hmm,
And
hmm.
we'll make sure wherever you travel,
Hmm, hmm.
wherever you travel, you're
Hmm, hmm.
secure that the destination. And definitely in domestic travel, you don't need anything except
Hmm,
to have a secure travel.
hmm.
The hotel should be safe, they should be well sanitized, it
Hmm,
should be
hmm.
in-house staff.
Hmm,
So
hmm.
these are the precautions, that measures that agents would also take. They would inquire before the traveler
Hmm,
leaves
hmm.
the destination, and there
Hmm,
would be
hmm.
a well converse between the hotelier and the agent. So we'll make
Right,
sure the traveler is not at any inconvenience. Actually, it should be
right.
absolutely convenient for the traveler to travel.
Absolutely.
And international travel will not happen it will happen. It's like, it depends when the embassies will start issuing the visas. Right now, as you see, US is
Mm-hmm.
many thousands of people are are dying every day. So it all depends upon the situation. You
Hmm.
don't know what will happen tomorrow because of this COVID, and nobody's
Hmm.
prepared for it.
Hmm.
So yeah,
True.
as
True.
an agent, we'll definitely make sure to make you absolutely at ease, that you will take no stress. All your stress is ours. We'll take care of everything, and then we'll suggest you then to travel, not before that.
Right.
Not before. Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Right. So, from air tickets to non-refundable air tickets to hotels which are well sanitized, which are bespoke for our
yeah,
travel, to the itinerary of our travel, you do everything, right?
yeah, 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 yeah,
Right. That's amazing, Bhavna. That's amazing. So now we take up the
yeah.
question from Aarti, which says that what about government's future plan on travel and tourism industry? Will government help? Yeah. So I was
Government is
also
not
thinking
helping.
about. Okay.
Government is not
That's
helping.
that's
No,
okay.
that's
Okay.
sad actually. That's very sad.
Okay.
Government is not helping.
So when you say it's not helping, what's the expectation from the government at this juncture, Bhavna? Can you throw some light there? क्या expectation था जो नहीं
There
meet हो
has to
रहा?
be taxes. Taxes and all. GSTs and all. There are many taxes that apply on our agent when you do a booking
Hmm.
and all. So we just
Hmm.
wanted they should remove either they should remove the taxes, or they should there is travel is a in India. Otherwise I don't know about India, but yeah, they travel government for travel. It's a small kind of body. It's not
Hmm.
big, right? So that's what we were discussing. Travel, because of many countries, they stand alone on travel only.
Right.
The economy is on travel. But India
Absolutely.
irony is, uh, they don't take care of the travel agents. No, it's on the last. Travel is always on the backbench of the government. They never take care
Hmm.
of it.
Okay.
All the
Okay.
taxes and all whatever they have done, it's all there. That
And
no, there is no leverage on nothing.
that's very sad to know because travel contributes majorly to the economy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it
That's what
contributes
I said.
majorly to the economy.
A
Yeah.
few countries, but their travel, the economy run only on travel.
Not only few countries, I think also India does, जो इतने सारे टूरिस्ट्स आते हैं बाहर से, they buy so many things, handcrafted things और सब चीज़ें जो खरीदते हैं when they visit places like Goa or Rajasthan for that matter. तो it
Yeah.
aids, not only it helps the tourism industry or the travel thing, but it also aids such small industries also जो साथ में
Hmm.
जुड़ी हैं, है ना? तो मतलब इट्स वेरी सैड टू नो दिस दैट गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग. तो
Yeah.
भावना
Yeah.
जी, आई वांटेड टू नाउ take a few moments from you, and I wanted to introduce that quiz that we have planned together, which is going live the next
Yeah.
week. है ना? So can you, Bhavna,
Yes.
tell us कि क्या
Yes.
quiz आपने plan किया है for the folks here, so that we get all the eyes and ears there, and people know कि क्या हो रहा है.
We we'll Tanu will surprise them with the quiz.
हाँ.
Let's surprise them with the quiz. Yeah.
हाँ, but थोड़ा थोड़ा सा अभी भी
Let
बोल.
them let them unfold it. Let them unfold
राइट.
it.
राइट, बट थोड़ा सा बोलना चाहिए ना, लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि क्विज होना चाहिए. सो गाइज, Bhavna and we both have decided to have a very interesting quiz that we will have, which will go next week, which will go live next week along with Bhavna. This is something that we are going to do on Winnings 3, specifically for the Winnings 3 community and for all its members. So jin jin ke kaan khade hue hai, yes, there are prizes also that can be won. So please, please, please come and participate in that quiz. That will be interesting and something new after all this, that's happening with us throughout. जो जो चल रहा है उसमें this is something which is a yay moment, है ना?
Uh,
So,
we looking
yeah.
we looking forward for the participations, big time participation from everyone actually.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, guys, you all need to participate and need to support us there. Sonia
Yeah,
Gulati says that
yeah.
tourism contributes to employment. Absolutely, it does. It employs small time businesses, people who are selling their handcraft items. It employs, people, it creates more jobs in the travel part, where airfare and all, where, we charge
Definitely,
from these.
definitely,
So it creates
definitely.
a lot of opportunities there. Uh, and then of course tourism, hotel bookings, it creates a lot of jobs, it gives a lot of money to the system. So it's really sad to
Yes,
know that
yes.
government has not been supporting at this juncture. Probably somewhere, we together, this is something that we are all facing, and probably yes, somewhere maybe the government has failed us here, but nevertheless probably they'll come out with some uh, schemes in the near future.
Yes,
Right.
yeah,
So, Bhavna, in a
yeah,
quick nutshell, the do's
yeah.
and the don'ts. The do's, आप 5 do's बताओ और 5 don'ts बताओ for traveling during COVID era.
Okay. Don't travel right now if it's not essential.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. If
Right.
it's not essential, don't travel. Don't travel. Then when, whenever there is a need to travel, you should carry your sanitizer. You should carry your proper gloves. It should be a proper, like, you should take full precautions whenever you want to travel,
Okay.
right? Then okay. Uh, Domestic, because right now don't do's may you should take your carry your travel light. If you carrying travel light, if you're taking a flight, don't, because they're only allowing one baggage, one inside cabin baggage. They are
Okay.
only allowing one.
Okay.
Yeah, so you should
Okay.
travel light. Then definitely social distancing, very very important.
Right.
If you travel, somewhere, if you go also, and if you tend to meet people, so social
Mm-hmm.
distancing is very very important
Mm-hmm.
right now. And what else, like in the domestic, though, it's I think I've covered all the points. Make and whenever the hotels will resume the operations, definitely we'll make sure that to uh, tell the client before the travel plans, कि these are the advisories and these precautions that the hotels are taking. So
Right.
it would be the benefit of the client. Then it'll be their call, they want to travel or not travel.
Right.
So
मीना सेज
we make
मतलब
sure the
घूमने मत
client is
जाओ.
comfortable.
मीना सेज मतलब घूमने मत जाओ वरना घूम जाओगे. Yeah.
अभी
Yeah.
अभी तो घूमना तो वही ना, अभी अभी घूमना तो पॉसिबल लग ही नहीं रहा इस टाइम पे, तो अभी तो कोई चांस नहीं है अभी तो इस टाइम पे.
Right. Right.
Let
So,
the things
folks,
settle down a bit, and then it will be easy for everyone to
right,
travel.
right. So, folks, whoever is
Yeah.
watching us right now, we are here with Bhavna Jain, the founder of Travelistas, who is a bespoke tour and travel planner, a travel agent. She plans travel for females, especially, and she has done many, many successful trips in the recent past until now, where everything is stuck because of we plan to resume travel in itself because right now that's a strict no in many countries, also ours. And of course, we have planned a small quiz next week with Bhavna Jain So be there next week to watch, what exactly we have planned. It'll be really surprising, and people can win lots of prizes there. Uh, okay. So anybody who has a question, we can drop in before Bhavna leaves. So she'll be leaving in about 8 minutes exactly. And Shreya says that till then, let's travel virtually. So I'll quickly tell all of you what all were the don'ts and the do's from Bhavna's list. So the first don't and the most important don't from Bhavna is don't travel at all if it is not needed. Huh. So don't travel at all.
Advisable, don't travel.
Absolutely. And that is so honest, that is really something which is coming from within, and it's something which is really pouring down from, the core of your heart, and something that you would never want, because, for being like a travel person, you would always want people to travel, all the more the merrier. But you have been really honest there, and you really wish good for others, that can be seen. And that is a very honest and a very nice piece of advice for people, that don't travel at all. No, don't travel at all. If in case it's not necessary, don't travel. If you travel, carry your own food, carry light baggage, right, maintain social distancing, and of course carry your sanitization kit. है ना Bhavna? So did I miss on anything there?
Yes, yes, yes. That's very, very important. Carrying a
Right,
sanitization
right.
kit is very, very important. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So people are
yeah.
very excited to know
Hmm.
about the quiz. Shreya is also excited about the quiz. So, we are coming up with the quiz now. So, Bhavna, before we take leave from you, anything that you would like to,
Yeah.
address Winning Threes with, and, something from your end before we end this show?
Tanu, it's been a pleasure to be actually to be associated, to be a part of this group. I'm actually
I'm
feeling
honored.
proud right now to be you. You are a wonderful soul. It's like it's
Thank
best.
you so
I'm
much.
actually honored to be connected with you. And
Thank you so much.
yes, we as a lady entrepreneurs are always looking for something good to happen in this COVID also, right? The
Absolutely.
enthusiasm is not down. Are still
Absolutely.
we riding the horses, still we riding the horses. So
True.
so let it be like that only. Let this COVID not put our energies down. We let, go. There is always a silver lining. There is always a silver lining. I always believe
True.
that. So
Right.
this will come, this will end, and we'll again meet socially also,
Yeah.
socially also,
Dying to
and
meet all of you.
yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's nice to be on this forum, and Tanu. I'm actually very honored. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much, Bhavna. It's the pleasure is all ours. The pleasure is Winning Threes. We are all so honored to have you on board and to listen to such honest piece of advice. Something which is the need of the hour.
Yeah,
People have been planning to travel, and people are not aware of the do's and the don'ts and what all exactly is happening out there. And when this comes from a person who is into the travel industry, that makes it all the more relevant, for people to relate to and understand. So now, people, folks, in case you wish to travel, Bhavna says wait for 2 months. अगर 2 महीने के बाद ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री में एक बूम आता है and it resumes, the hotels resume their services, then do travel, and you know whom to contact, because this is the time where we all need travel agents to travel, because the travel agents can not only give us bespoke traveling, but they can also guarantee that we are not, our travel is peaceful and we are not ending up, in a chaotic situation. So they will make sure that we go to the right places, to sanitized places, to places that are well precautioned, and they have all taken the measures with which we together can fight COVID. 19. So be positive. That's a very nice message from you, Bhavna. To all the threes who are watching us today, be positive, maintain your immunity, maintain your health, stay inside your houses,
Stay home,
spend
stay
some more.
safe.
Absolutely. And, spend some lovely time with your family till then. And remember,
Family.
we are all in this together. And this too shall
Yes.
pass very soon. On that
Yes.
note,
Yes.
thank you
Yes.
so much, Bhavna Jain, for joining us today.
Th-
It was a
Thank you,
wonderful
Tanu.
session.
Thank you, everybody who participated. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
Tanu.
much.
Bye.
God bless you all. Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye, Bhavna.
Bye. 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 Bye.